How to add Google Map on WordPress. I am going to show you how you can add Google Map on WordPress. Go to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Enable the Maps JavaScript API for your project. Create an API key under the Credentials section. If you prefer using a plugin, you can install one from the WordPress plugin directory. Popular options include WP Google Maps and Google Maps widget. If you want to add Google Maps manually without a plugin, follow these steps. Go to the page or post where you want to add the map to your WordPress dashboard. Switch to the text or HTML editor. Replace the placeholders with your actual map details. You can get these details by visiting Google Maps, finding your location, clicking on the Share button, and then selecting Embed Map. You can customize the map appearance and functionality by adding additional parameters to the shortcode. For example, you can set the width and height of the map, add markers, change map type, and etc. Refer to the Google Maps Embed API documentation for more options. After adding the map shortcode, preview your page or post to see how the map looks. Once you are satisfied, publish or update your content to make the map live on your website. That is it. You have now successfully added Google Maps to your WordPress website, either using a plugin or manually with a shortcode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.